35 best credit cards in India for 2022-23 for beginners and salaried. So, number one is IDFC First Classic Credit Card Lifetime Free. Number two is HDFC Credit Card. Number three, SBI Cashback Credit Card. Number four, ICICI Amazon Pay Credit Card. Number five, Axis Bank Ace Credit Card. Number six, Industrial Credit Card. Number seven, IDFC First Wealth Travel Credit Card Lifetime Free. Number three, HDFC Infinia Credit Card. Number four, Standard Chartered Mahatman Platinum Credit Card. Standard Chartered Ultimate Credit Card. American Express Platinum Travel Credit Card. Membership Rewarded Credit Card MRCC. Axis Bank Magnus Credit Card. Citibank Premier Mills Credit Card. SBI Prime Credit Card. Top 20 credit card issued by various banks in India. Flipkart Axis Bank Credit Card. SBI Simply Click Credit Card. RBL Bank's World Safari Credit Card. ATM SBI Credit Card. Indian Oil City Credit Card. Axis Bank Axis Reverse Credit Card. Amazon Express Centurion Credit Black Card. SBI Etihad Guest Premium Credit Card. RBL Bank Edition Credit Card. Bank of Baroda Credit Card. Yes Bank Yes First Exclusive Credit Card.